Dude, I haven't slept at all. It's 8, and I don't know what the fuck. I don't know how to solve this shit still. I haven't really been thinking about it, but I watched some of the video that I made earlier, right? And it didn't look good. Anyway, I'm trying to look for an n, right? Such that um, n factorial will be larger, than it's gonna have 10 digits, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, more than 10 digits, huh? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, fuck, so I guess over here then, right? Yeah. So, like that. Yeah. Look, I don't fucking know how to do it, but you know what? I'm gonna stick with it though. Um, and now I'm tired of shit. And it's important actually to get a lot of sleep, and all this stuff. But fuck it, I'm just gonna try to make it. Oh God. Whatever. All right. So how do I do it? Smallest n. Now wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is, you know, n factorial greater than this. Now obviously this would mean, right, that n has to be greater than 10 for shizzle. But now wait a minute. That's the first 10 I get, right? Hold on now, hold on. What if I say, 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2, right? Now, wait. All right, so n, this is such that it's greater than this, right? Now, if I go ahead, put 5 and 2 together here, that's kind of like, that's 2 tens right there, right? This and this. 3 times 4, that's 12. You know? We got 6 times 8, 48. Wait. Couldn't that be like 10 times 1.2? No, that's 3 tens over there already, right? What did I use? This and this. 6. Let's do 6 times 8, right? So that's 48. So I'm just gonna times 4.8 times 10, right? Then I got 63 times 10 again. So like I'm kind of, what I'm seeing here is that I get I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, right? I'm missing some tens over here. Can I construct the other shit here? You know, um, I mean, for instance, 1.2, this is gonna be 4.8 plus, you know, what the fuck is 20% of that shit? I don't know, like, um, fucking, you know, so this is gonna be what? 80, 96, 0.96. So that's gonna be, um, let's see, we got 5, and then, yeah, and then 4 is dropped in there. 5.76. Is that right? 5.76. That's those two. I mean, this is probably like some fucking dumbass way to do it, but I feel like you know, if I build up my tens, then I can kind of get a, you know, there's got to be a smarter way, but all right. So then we got, you know, we got 30, which is basically that, right? And then also, but then also, you know, wait, what the? I'm so slow in the fucking head, dude. Whatever. So we got 5 plus 76 over 100. Shit. 6 plus 3/10. That will be 30. Yes. Plus, what do we got here? 1.5. Shut the fuck up over there. Plus, 3. Actually, no, wait. Plus 36. Oh, fuck. 420, 456, 4.56. Can this be even right? What the fuck? But yeah, I think it is. And then, you know, we have 228 divided by 1000, which is just gonna be 0.228. Fucking shit ass, dude. Anyway, so fuck this, fuck this. Then I got actually. Oh wait, I gotta add all this up, right? I gots to add all this up, don't I? Wait, am I doing this correctly? What the fuck? Alright, so either way, this is gonna be. Fuck, I'm so slow. Alright, doesn't matter. I need my coffee, but just, you know, woke up or whatever. So, 35, 36 point, 36.288. Now, there's definitely a 10 in there, huh? Pull a 10 out, you know? And, then this is gonna be 3.6288. No tens in there, but here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths, right? Now it seems to me if I get 4, maybe even less, tens, would it be less? All right, so that's 10. Now let me add on 11, right? Let me strip out a 10 from here, dude. And then multiply all this by 1.1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 tenths. Yeah, this is not gonna end up to 10, so let me put out another one. Yeah, fuck that, right? 10 times 1.2 now. Is this gonna add up to 110? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Holy shit. Well, we got like, what the fuck? You know, we got 10% of that. That's gonna be what? I don't even fucking know. 0.3 something, you know, then you add 20% to that, that's gonna be what? Fucking 0.6? It's not gonna go up to 10, I don't think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we add another 10. Increase all this shit by 30% now. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the final 10, dude. Times 1.4. Now, I feel I'm pretty confident that it's gonna be, you know, 14 factorial. But could it be 13? I am not bothered to figure this shit out. Honestly, I don't fuck. But I might be tripping ass right now. But this is, you know what? I'm just gonna fucking, you know what? I'm so tired. Actually, I'm throwing in the towel on this one. I'm gonna see what kind of shit they do. Probably something real simple or whatever, and I fucked this up. But actually, it just says answer 14. There's no explanation on this shit, my dude. But I got it. But I'm not happy about this whole fucking whatever this was. Is there no other way? If you see this, viewer, and you know of a better way, do not hesitate to reach out to me. But, yeah. Alright, so that's cool. 14. I'm not happy about it. But, you know, I figure if there was some kind of way to do it, they would fucking show me in the book. Right? Like, give me some sort of lesson or whatever. So, alright, so we go for the second one now. For which, god fucking damn it, for which values of n does n factorial have n or fewer digits? I don't even know what the fuck that means, but I need to get my coffee. Alright, so n have n or fewer digits. So, I mean, what the fuck? I mean, 1 factorial, that's gonna have, you know, 1 or fewer digits. So, 2 factorial, I mean, it's already over. Wait. No, it's not. 2 or fewer. Yeah, this is fewer. This is 1 digit. Yeah. Alright. So, I mean, for 0 factorial, that doesn't really work, right? Shit. Because here I would have 1 digit, which is not 0 or fewer. So it starts from 1, right? I'm so tired, but I'm not gonna keep yapping on about it, but fuck. Alright. Does n factorial have n or fewer digits? How am I supposed to like figure this out? But you know, this is a common problem that I see, you know, it's like I don't know how to do it, and then people just stop. Now it's our job to figure out how to do it. So well, if I go now, I'm just brute forcing it. Honestly, I don't really have a clue right now. But if I go 3, wait, what the fuck am I doing? First of all, this is gonna be 2, right? Then 3, that's gonna be 6. 4, I mean that's gonna be 12. No, wait. Actually, that's gonna be 24, right? 4 times 3 is 12 times 2. Yeah. 24. Now it still has, 24, less than whatever. So now I get to 5. That's going to be 120. 6. That's going to be, 600 plus 120, 720. Am I really just supposed to like fucking do this? Seriously? N or fewer digits, dude. Wait, didn't I just do an exercise actually where I had alright, so I had 14 factorial. I know that this has more, than 10 digits. But I also know that, 14 factorial is, I mean, the number, if n is 14, right? Still, the number of digits is less than n, all the way over here. N or fewer digits. Now is something gonna make sense here because I can see that it goes from 1 and seemingly it's gonna go up until at least 14, right? When does it end, dude? Does it ever? If I add another n, 15, you know, I'm also multiplying that other shit. By 15. And in that 15, I certainly have a 10. And if I multiply something by 10, I'm adding a digit. Am I tripping ass right now? It seems to me that for all values, like this is gonna be true for all values. Where n is greater than 0. That's what it seems like to me. I should really download that fucking AI thing. You know, I mean, I've used it a couple of times, but I try not to. Alright, so, what the fuck? You know, it's crazy, but Jesus Christ. Fuck, I don't know. I think that's it. No, I think really, I think this is it. You know, all the fucking above, they're gonna be less digits than in the N there. That's what I'm gonna say. But I'm curious about it, and I know for a fact that these exercises do not have, you know, yeah, they don't. So, fuck, I gotta know. But you know what? It's all good. This is what this is what makes sense to me. If I somehow am fucking up, I will surely find out down the line. So the next one, you know, all right. So we have how many 5-digit positive integers are there in which there are no repeated digits and all digits are odd? What the fuck? How many 5-digit positive integers are there in which there are no repeated digits and all digits are odd? Suck my ass, dude. What the fuck? Wait. Alright, so how many digits do we have? We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? How many of these are odd? It's this one,
this one, this one, and this one, right? So we got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now that's 5 digits. This is actually not that bad, right? No repeated digits. So we have 5 slots, and they can all. This is nothing, right? This is gonna be 5 factorial, boy, which is gonna be 120, isn't it? Wait, we got 20, we got 12, we got 2, 24. Wait, am I fucking 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1? Yeah, it's all good. And so this is gonna be 20, 40. No, wait, I just used the 4 twice. That is dumbassery. The fuck am I doing? We got 20. We got times 6. So that's one. Yeah. All right, it's all good. 120. Yeah, I was right. That has to be the answer. Actually, I'm pretty sure I saw that it was this by accident, but I don't worry. I got to it myself though. It made perfect sense, and yes, it is 120. So, all right, all good. Alright, so for this exercise, they say using only pencil and paper, find the value of 100 factorial divided by 95 factorial, which makes me think that the other exercises I was doing were not supposed to be pen and paper. So I should get more credit for potentially solving those. Unless I didn't solve them, in which case go fuck yourself, alright? Why don't you try to crack this, at no sleep or whatever. I mean, you probably could. It's not that big a deal. But alright, so here we go. We got 95, right? This is no big deal, dude. Because this is going to be 90, it's going to be 100 times 99 times 98 times 97 times 96, and then times 95 factorial. That's gonna cancel with this 95 factorial down here. I mean, it's still not gonna be like a picnic or whatever, because I gotta calculate this. Eat my asshole, dude. Eat my motherfucking asshole. For real. Fine. I guess I'll do it. Suck my ass, seriously. And what do we got here? We got can we make it simpler? Fuck my asshole, seriously. All right, so fine, I guess I'll just start over here then, right? I'll just go ahead and let's multiply these two. So that's going to be 42. It's going to be 540. Then it's going to be 630. Then it's going to be 0081. That's how I do it. So that's going to be 8, 11, and there we go. God fucking damn it, dude. Alright, so we have 98 times all of this bullshit. Why are they making me do this? Seriously. This is not cool. Alright, so we got kind of 100, times 2, that's 200 minus 4. So that's 196. Then we got 10, is going to be 980. Then we got fucking 3, which is 300 minus 6, which is 294. Wait. No, it's not 294. See, I'm too tired for this shit. But it is 294 actually. But then, you gotta add those motherfucking, there we go. Right? It's a lot. It's getting to be a lot. For fuck's sake. Alright, so 72,000. And then 81, 810,000. Is that what the fuck you're telling me? Jesus. 6, 7, 1. That's gonna be what? 10, 15. 12. It's gonna be 10. Yeah. 11, Oh my god. Oh, I still got the 99. But of course. And then the 100 is actually gonna be super easy. Just add those twos. But alright. Here we go. Who the fuck am I to... You know what? Actually, this is just bullshit. I know I'll be able to do it. I don't need to fucking... I don't need to do this. Unless I'm fucking up. Is there another obvious way of doing it? I mean, I'm not seeing it. Using only pencil and paper, for sure I would have to, get rid of that 95 factorial so that I only have these. And then I just have to multiply them. But it's a pain in my asshole. And you know what? It's a waste of time. Either way, this is the only option I got. There's no... And it's even... Yeah, so they're not even gonna... They're not gonna show anything cool in the notes. So I'm getting fucking squeezed out. This shit is squeezing me out, bro. What? I don't even know what that means. Alright, so... Alright, kind of same shit. Now I have to find the value of 120. 118 factorial. Seriously? So this is going to be 120 times 119. And they still want me to do it. Are you kidding me? Eat my cock, bro. They better have some clever shit. Nope, that's what they want me to do. Suck balls, dude. I'm not doing this shit. One of my high school teachers, she said that, the mark of a true mathematician is laziness. So, where the fuck is my, Fields medal over here? Because I will be lazy in this shit. I'm not doing this, all of this. I know I can do it, it's just time consuming, and I would rather spend my time talking shit, so whatever. There are two O's at the end of 10 factorial. So 10 factorial, we got 3, 6, 2, 8, 800, two O's. Using only pencil and paper, determine how many zeros are at the end of number 100 factorial. Well, slap my asshole, dude. How the fuck am I gonna figure this out? Huh? slap my ass and call me a fucking something there. I don't know. I don't really see a way of doing this. What is the connection? You know? Those two zeros. I mean, would it be 3 zeros? 4 zeros? Is this one a... No, it's an even one, of course. Why give this a chance to be explained when you can explain this 120 factorial over 118 factorial? Now you're fucking getting it. Well, look, alright, so what does 10 factorial, you know? We got a lot of... I figured out earlier, it has some 10s in there, for sure, right? Now, how can I simply figure out how many 10s there are in here? And then even if I can't figure it out, does that mean that it's gonna end in zeros there, you know, like, fuck if I know, dude. But it's kind of like, you know, every single one of these is gonna have a 10 in them. So could I say... Could I find the sum? Dude, what if I... What the fuck if I, like, say... Hold on. Bear with me on this one, alright? So there are 100 factors, right? Now, at which point can I no longer draw out? Dude, what if I say this? What if I, honest to God, just go ahead and say, you know, 100 factors. Like I got 10 raised to 100. Now bear with me, this sounds crazy, right? But then, what if I multiply all of this shit with the arithmetic, you know, sum of this series or sequence or whatever? So the first term would be 0.1, you know, then plus 0.2. See, I'm just drawing a 10 out of all of these, right? Plus 0.3. Am I a fucking genius, dude? What? I do this. Now, what's my final, final or whatever over there is gonna be? It's gonna be 9. No, actually, wait. It's gonna be from 100. I take out 10, so it's gonna be 10, right? So now, how many terms are there? You know, the first one is 0.1, right? Plus 10 divided by 2 times 100, bro. So that's gonna be basically, what do we got over here? We got, you know, we got, the fuck we got, dude? 0.05 plus 5, you know, so this is 5.05 times 100. No, wait, did I just divide this already? Yeah, so it's all good. Divided this, multiplied by 100. So this is gonna be 505, right? So I'm actually multiplying by 505, my guy. That's the sum, right? Am I tripping ass right now? Or am I fucking a brilliant boy? You know? Wait, what the fuck am I doing? Because I just pulled out all of this. I still get 100 terms, don't I? Wait, is this the sum over an arithmetic sequence? First term plus last term divided by 2 multiplied by how many terms there are. But wait a goddamn second. What? I'm fucking retarded, am I not? Because this is not gonna be a series. We're in factorial world, baby. Right? So all of these shits are gonna be actually multiplied. The fuck? Yeah, I'm tripping ass. I'm tripping so hard. So ass right now. Yeah, this made no fucking sense, but you know, we try some shit, we explore a bit, it's all good. It's all good. So, then what? Alright, if I can't do this, you know, how do I figure out? Yeah, no, I mean, this would be cool though, but nah. Nah, fuck. Alright. Not sure then. Is there a way of... Is there some... There's probably some math, right, that deals with, like, the product of terms. But I am not, you know... I'm not familiar with this. And I don't think I would be able to fucking crack it by myself at this low sleep, at this short, in this short amount of time or whatever. So maybe figure something else out. All right. Well, fuck it. So this made no fucking sense. All good, but it didn't make sense. But it's all good. But yeah. All right. So yeah, let me fucking get ahead. Go ahead and take this out. So 10 factorial, my guy. Alright, so I wish I could just see behind the curtains of math. I wish I could be a wizard like some of these motherfuckers out here. But nah, I gotta struggle. Gotta struggle with it real hard. I'm a struggle boy. Struggler. But you know what? Doesn't matter. So, why, for God's sake, does it have to be 2 zeros here? Why? I mean, the last one is gonna be a clean 10. For sure. Right? So I get that this is gonna be there. But now, what about this bullshit? Why is this other 0 there? Wait. Because up to 10, once again, I did this earlier, right? Wait a goddamn second, you bitch, you. I can create a 10, another 10 out of this and this. That's a pure 10. Pure 10. And that's maybe what's making this shit. Yeah. Alright, so now
So at least there's gonna be 2. Now I gotta figure out how many tens are there from 1 to 100. You bitch. You absolute bitch. That's gonna be 10 tens, right? So you got 10. No, wait, there's gonna be more even. It's gonna be even more, huh? Wait, so from to 100 there. Alright, shut the fuck up. To 100, I divide by 10, I get 10. That's how many tens I got. It's gonna be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, whatever. But is there nothing in between there that is going to give me a 10 divisible by 10? Because here I got 5 and 2. So if I take 10 divided by 10, I'm just going to get 1. But earlier here I got that 5, I got that 2. Alright, so I need to actually hold the fucking phone, my guy. I need to figure out what kind of tens could I create, right? And does it have to be pure tens? Because these ones, 5 times 2, that's obviously 10. But like 6 times 4, I can pull a 10 out of there. But it's not really gonna guarantee like a free 0 at the end, because the other shit that I pulled that 10 out of is gonna be a decimal. So the fuck, but yeah. Alright, so I need my clean tens. Now how do I figure these out? We got 11. That's not gonna... Also, I'm counting that 110, right? So, actually... Wait, what other 10s could I create? Am I just an asshole right now? Am I not fucking... Is this not connecting to me? Maybe I only get 1 plus these 10. And then what else can I create? What else would give me 10 perfectly? That I haven't already used now. It's gonna be, what, 11, 12, 13, 14, let me just fucking 15. 15 times 2, but then I already used this 2 over there. Some shit times 5 can create 10s, but I already used my 5 over there. And then is there nothing else that creates a 10? That's that 2, that 5? Because 3, like 30, I would have to use a 10, right? Or a 5. Shit, wait a minute. There might be only like... So I already counted 10 plus that 1 with the 2 and the 5. And then I've used those. So... Shit. I want to say... for fuck's sake, dude. Is this gonna fucking trip me up? I want to say... I'm not sure about this. But I kind of want to say... 11 zeros. That is a horrible way of writing it, but I don't want to. All right, so some answer, times 10
to the 11th power, that's going to be 11 zeros. Am I tripping ass? Am I tripping balls? Well, we don't know, we're not sure, we're looking into it. But, alright, fuck it, let me try. I think there's gonna be 11 of those. Let's see. 100 factorial. Well, suck my asshole, dude. Suck my motherfucking asshole. 10 to the 157th. But I gotta, you gotta concede that this number right here is gonna be pretty large, and I don't know how many decimals it shows me. Honestly, I don't. So I could be right. There's no way of knowing, and I refuse to use this ChatGPT shit. I honestly think it's gotta be... But now I'm only thinking about tens. I'm creating all sorts of bullshit over there. A lot of shit can end with 0, huh? Here I got 2 zeros though. And I swear to God it's because I got that 10 and I got this 10 that I can create from the 5 and the 2. Dude, I think it's still 11. I don't know. 11. Pisses me off that the book does not, give the answers to these ones. What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna do it. How many zeros at the end of 100 factorial? Since there are always more 2s and 5s, we can count the number of 5s. That's what the fuck it says to me. So it basically says we can count 5s and 25s. Oh wait. Yeah, because we got 5s. Holy shit, dude. Yeah, we got, I mean, I was kind of onto something, yeah, but... Yeah, because I could just fucking dismantle whatever is coming after this 10. Like, say, say... I mean, even this 6 over here, I can break it up. I can create a 2. I got a lot of 2s. So 5s are my limiting factor, dude. So I also need to see how many 5s there are. Yeah. But here it counts actually, like 25s as well is what it does. It says basically, alright, take a look at this. We got 100 divided by 5, that's gonna be 20. That's 25s, dude. From which you can create these tens. Now, these will be included in the tens that I have over there, right? So let's just not give a fuck about those. Here's the thing, though. They also say, what about 100 divided by 25? Now, is that because if I divide by 5, I am counting 25, 50, 75, and 100 in those 5s, but those 25s have another factor of 5 in them, so I gotta count those as well. So this is gonna be 4, and then it says basically, you know, fucking let's combine these, and 24 is the number of zeros. I feel like a 0 for not figuring this shit out. But you know, I'm learning. Obviously, this makes sense actually, so. But I could have stuck with this a while longer. This is not real. This is not. I don't know. I don't feel like I kind of cheated on this one, but fuck it. I'm so tired, dude. But yeah, this makes sense. 24. Could it be something else? You know? Could it be something else? I have all my 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. From those 5s, I can easily make up a 10 because I got a lot of 2s. You know? I got 50 2s in there, probably. You know, 100 divided by 2, that's going to be 50. So I got more 2s than I got 5s for shizzle my nizzle, but. And then. Yeah, that's what's up. And then 25. I gotta count that extra 5, yeah. Feeling it. Yeah, 24 makes sense. There's nothing else, right, that can make like a pure dice 10. Wow, what a pure 10. Yo, Mr. White. Science, I don't know. Bitch. That's some Jesse Pinkman for you if you're a Breaking Bad fan. It's not really great right now, but, you know, it's all good. Alright, so we got that. Right. I'm not even gonna bother to look it up in the book, you know, because it's not gonna be there anyway. Now, another one. Nah, it really breaks my fucking heart. There are people out there, they don't believe in us. Speedy, they don't believe in us. Shame on these motherfuckers. Alright, so find how many 9-digit numbers can be made from the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If repetition is not allowed and all the odd digits occur first on the left and followed by all the even digits. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, if repetition is not allowed. Yeah. Alright, gotcha. Followed by all the even digits. Alright, well, this should be fucking easy, right? So, we got repetition is not allowed. First the odd digits, which is gonna be, this is not, I don't even want to bother doing this. It's fucking easy street. We got 1, we got 3, we got 5, we got 7, we got 9. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This rhyme is about to hit you right in the kiss. How did anybody ever find me? I disappeared. I was hopping in freeway skid just for. It's a little Slim Shady freestyle from back in the day there. So we got 5, 4, 3 times 2 times 1. Now that's all my my odd fellows there, right? Then I got 2, 4, 6, 8. So we gotta multiply this shit now by 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Right? So it's basically 120 times, what the fuck is this? 6 times 24, which is what? Which is fucking what, dude? 2,400, plus 480. So that's gonna be 2,8. Yeah. Right? So that's how many 9-digit numbers can be made. 2,880. I'm feeling pretty confident about this one, but it never hurts to check, do a little sanity check. Woo! Because you might be crazy out here, Ha 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 ha. That's what's up. Yeah, that's right. All good. Yeah, well, this one was fine. Not like the first one was crazy, I thought, but this is really, All right, so now we gotta compute. What the fuck is under here? No, nothing. Don't worry about it. Maybe I should do all my videos like on low sleep, because I'm feeling unhinged, bro. Compute how many 7-digit numbers can be made from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7, dude. And if there is no repetition, so no repetition and R, and the odd digit must appear in an unbroken sequence, motherfucker. That's the only rule. Alright, so how many odd numbers we got? 1, 3, 5, 7. So that's gonna be 1, 3, 5, 7. Right? Unbroken sequence. Eat my asshole, dude. So this is gonna be, either way, I'm gonna start out with, wait, there's no repetition, huh? No repetition. No repetition at all. So first we got, let's say 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. These are my odd fellows, right? Unbroken. And then I got 3 more digits though. So at the end here, it's gonna be 3 times 2 times 1, which is fine. But then how many shuffles does this get, right? Because it can be here. I can move it once. I can move it twice. I can move it 3 times. So that's basically this times 3. Am I fucking nuts or a brilliant man? So I mean, no, I think that's it. Yeah, actually. So you just move this, you just multiply this by 3 again, right? Or am I fucking insane in the membrane? Insane in the brain. No, it makes sense, right? So first we got these 4, then you slide them over. Take that, slide them over again. Take that, slide them over a third time. Wait. So this one, slide, slide, slide. 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, that's 3 slides. But obviously, I need to include the first one where it's not sliding, where it's just like over there. So I maybe I should actually multiply this by 4, huh? Or am I fucking nuts again? You know? No, it makes sense. Makes sense to me. There's gonna be 4 of those. So that's 4. But duh, you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This rhyme is about to hit you right in the kiss. So wait, where's this? We got 24 times 24. Whatever. So this is gonna be what? 80 plus 16. So it's gonna be 96 plus 480. You know, that's 496. That's 576. Could that be right? I don't know. I'm not gonna bother to check this fucking shit. Whatever. But the logic here makes sense. And, you know, the chain is unbroken of odd digits. The rest ones, they just follow from the even numbers that are left. Multiply all this by 4, because there can be 4 different unbroken chains like that. And then we got it. 576, right? Make sure, yeah, I mean, yeah. 6 times 4, 24. We got this and this. I'm not going to check. And this is an even exercise, so, you know, fuck it, right? We're not going to... it makes sense. There's nothing major tripping me up right now, so I'm not going to investigate it too much. Now, how many permutations of the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G... That sounds like Harry Potter theme for some reason. It's because I'm a wizard. You're a wizard, Harry. What? You know? Are there in which the 3 letters A, B, C appear consecutively in alphabetical order? Dude, so what the fuck are you even telling me right now? You're telling me, motherfucker, that ABC is gonna appear in alphabetical order, right? Consecutively like this. But that would mean, alright, so that would mean basically this, right? So we got, wait, our repetition, no, this is a permutation. There are no repetition, goddammit, no. No repetition, right? Yeah, permutations. Yeah. Alright, so anyway, so we got basically 1 times 1 times 1 times, you know, fucking, what is left? 4 factorial. Right? Now, what I need to figure out is how many times do I slide this bullshit over. So this is the same actually as the last one, you know, because we can have this one, but then we can slide that bullshit over there, but then we can slide that bullshit over here, but hey, oh, Tony, we can slide it over there, Tony, and then we got this one too. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This rhyme is about to hit you right in the kiss. This is basically, you know, 5 times 4 factorials times all of these that I chose to be ABC. This is going to be 5 factorial, which is going to be 120, right? So, this one we can check actually. But it makes sense to me that this is easy actually. I imagine if I got it wrong, then, you know, that's what always happens. When you start feeling cocky, shit gets real sticky, icky. No. 120. Yeah, it's all good. Fucking nailed it, dude. And then let's do the last one because you know I need to eat something actually. How many permutations of the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, bitch, are there in which the digits alternate even and odd? Ooh. Wait, what the fuck are you doing to me, you bitch? What the fuck is 0? It says the digits alternate even and odd. Now, I don't know about you, but what the fuck is 0? I mean, you could divide it by 2 and get an integer if the 0 is an integer, right? I mean, is that the definition? Fuck, I'm getting fucked up. Alright, so you divide by 2, you get an integer, that's even. So then 0 is an even number? You know what? Fuck it, that's what we're going with. Alright, so how many even numbers we got? We got 0, we got 2, we got 4, we got 6, we got 8. Then the odd ones are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, bitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All good. 10 digits. Yeah. But now, though, dude, how do I do this, my guy? Yeah, this one's gonna give me like kind of like a little bit of a headache there. How do I make sure? Oh, sweet Lord. Wait. Alright, so let's say this could be even. Right? But then, you know, suck my asshole, dude. Wait, it's gotta be a permutation. So this, no matter how the fuck you view it, it's going to be 10 factorial. Right? Oh shit. Can I even split up? Wait, 5 factorial is what? 120. And then I got another 5 factorial over here. You know? How the fuck? This is a brain teaser. And I'm tired as shit. Maybe I should drink some water. Let me get some. I'm too weak to even open this bottle. So fucking weak sauce. Ah, that's good H2O. Actually, it tastes kind of. But I mean, probably all good. Alright, so. Alright, fuck. Wait, I don't know. Like, hold up. Wait. What if I make sure? What if I make sure, dude? Wait, can I make sure? Can I make sure? I cannot. Can I? So if I put... Wait, if I put 5 here, any one of those even ones, all good, then I gotta put one of these odd ones in there, right? Now I gotta put one of these even ones. Now this is not really looking great. I gotta be honest. Because what the fuck is this? Huh? Huh? Yeah, bitch, you. This is basically 5 factorial times 5 factorial. So are you telling me that this will be less than 10 factorial? Because if that is the case, I'm kind of fine with it, you know? Wait, didn't I find something with the 10 Oh yeah, this is much less, actually, isn't it? Yeah, because in the other exercise here, we got that 10 factorial would be 3628 800. But this is going to be 120 times 120, which is definitely not going to reach that shit. So maybe that's it? Maybe that's it, dude. Because, look, think about it. So first we got, any one of the evens, then any one of the odds, and then the same shit. So really, isn't it gonna be 5 factorial times 5 factorial? Isn't it gonna be, so this is gonna be 24, 2,400, and then it's gonna be basically, what is this? 0, 0, 20, 120,000, whatever, 14,400. I wish ChatGPT wasn't spying on me and also consuming all the water, because I would really love to waste that water for this one. But we can't be doing that. We cannot. I mean, I've been doing it a lot. But hold up now. Let's try to break this sequence. That's not a math pun. I don't even know what that is. Fuck it. So that's gonna be 10. I got 8 exercises left for this section, and I think I'm gonna take a little break. Yeah.